Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Pratiwi with a registration number is 21030222403H. And I from the group 3, the Psych A 2021 class. And I want to presentation about the material 1.9 gas thermometer and 1.10 ideal gas temperature. Let's see. Okay, for the first material, I want to tell you about the 1.9 gas thermometer. The first, what is the gas thermometer? Gas thermometer or thermometer is instrument to indicate the measurement temperature. So the thermometer 1 and the other thermometer have the material construction and dimension is differ in the various laboratory. Why? Because the instrument are used and depend on the nature of the gas and the temperature range. So the thermometer 1 with the another thermometer can be it's not same because the various laboratory that depend temperature range. In the figure 1.6, this is an example about the simplified schematic diagram of a constant volume gas thermometer. Why can the figure can be say all called it simplified constant diagram? Because the gas have a process. The first, the gas in the bulb B, it communicates with the mercury M. Before that, the gas is the phase in the capillary. And after the gas in the mercury M, the gas adjusts the H of the mercury column M. So the gas can be called constant when the pressure in the system equal with the atmospheric pressure plus the difference in H of M minus a H of M accent. And we can write this. Pressure of system the gas thermometer equal to pressure of atmosphere plus H for M minus HM accent. And this condition can be say the constant when the thermometer measured with a twice condition. The first is when the bulb is run by the system, and the two when the bulb is run by water at the triple point. And this is many such error of the pressure when the thermometer is measured with a twice condition. The first, the gas present in the dead space, or we can write temperature in out it's not equal temperature in bulb. And second, the gas in the capillary connecting the bulb with the manometer has a temperature gradient. So when the temperature, when the thermometer have a temperature gradient, the thermometer can be an error of pressure. And the third, the bulb, capillary, and the nuisance volumes undergo change of volume when the temperature and pressure is changed. Next, the fourth, a pressure gradient exists in the capillary. 5. Some gas is adsorbed on the walls of the bulb and capillary. The lower the some gas is adsorbed, and the greater the absorption. And 6, there are effects due to temperature and compressibility of the mercury and the manometer. And for your information, this error can be estimated and eliminated from the data approach the behavior of the ideal gas in the limiting condition. Next, I want to tell you about the ideal gas temperature material 1.10. In the before material, we can learn about the constant gas in the gas temperature condition. And this material, we learn about the ideal gas temperature. So, what is the gas temperature? Gas temperature is the theoretical of a standard. The basic for the gas thermometry become the well-understood relationship about the pressure, volume, and temperature embodied in the ideal gas law can be write the pressure times volumes equal to number of the mole times R. This is molar number of molar gas, or we can say that the Avogadro number, and the value is the 0.0H21 times temperature, and this temperature using the Kelvin symbol. And the next, we will show about the experimental yields, reproducible and accurate in the empirical temperature with a theta. From the equality, the ideal gas law, we can differential or elimination and substitution this formula within the PTP and temperature with assigned temperature normal, or the value is the 273.16 Kelvin. And then the proportion we can times cross, so that we have a new value of the theta equal 273.16 Kelvin times P divided PTP. And this condition, the volume gas is constant. And next, how to keeping the volume is constant? How to keeping the volume is constant in the gas? We have a procedure, and this procedure from the figure 1.5, but this the procedure, it's not have a same equality, but this procedure have a same condition. In this procedure keeping to the volume V constant, the first is surround the bulb with the steam at the standard atmospheric pressure. So we have equality is the theta of PNBP equal to 273.16 Kelvin times PNBP divide 120. The second procedure is remove some of gas so that PTP has a smaller measured volume, and we can say that 120 replaced with a 60 kPa. So we have a new equality. The theta of PNBP equal to 273.16 Kelvin times PNBP divide 60. And the third procedure is the continue reducing the amount of gas in the bulb so that PRP and PGP have a smaller and smaller value. And the fourth procedure is plot theta PNBP against PTP and explode the resulting curve in the axis, and we can write this PTP is 0, so we have equality of the limit. That is limit of theta PNBP as PTP approaches 0. So we can result the series. We define the ideal gas temperature T by equation. T equal to 273.16 Kelvin. Limit of P divide PTP as PTP approaches 0. Then we can say that condition is constant. And next, although the ideal gas temperature, the gas have a property in the general. For the example, we use a helium. Why we use a helium? Because helium is most useful gas for thermometric. The first is the helium at the high temperature is helium does not diffuse through the platinum. So the helium can be measured with the thermometer. The second becomes a liquid at temperature lower, therefore thermometer say be used. So helium can be used in two conditions. Is not diffuse where in high temperature, and the liquid can be measured too with a thermometer. And the temperature, we have a scale Kelvin temperature because this is most useful for gas thermometric. It will be shown that in the temperature region in which a gas thermometer may be used, the ideal gas scale and the Kelvin, the thermodynamic scale, are identical. Next, we have a graphic for fundamental of thermodynamics. In this graphic figure 1.7, we will a reading of constant volume gas thermometer for the temperature of steam and BP of water. In this graphic, when the temperature in the water is the boiling, so this water is steam, in the value of temperature is 373.124 Kelvin. For the helium, this constant of axis and ordinate. And for nitrate, this is a slightly up. The graphic is slightly up, is linear to up. And for the nitrate, this nitrate have a significant up. So we can say that atomic motion in cases is erroneous when a statement involving an assumption connecting the purely microscopic of temperature and the microscopic concept of atomic motion, and found that classical statistical mechanics must be modified with the aid of quantum mechanics. In this graphic, have a 0 point energy. For the next material, 1.11 and 1.12 can be shown with my friend Dharmayuda Febrianto. Thank you.
Thank you, Prativi, for the time. The next session is 1.11 Celsius temperature. Celsius temperature scale. Celsius was the international temperature scale prior to the introduction of the Kelvin scale in 1954 by Andreas Celsius. The fixed point was shifted from the ice point of water, that is 273.15 Kelvin, to the triple point of water, which was defined to be 0.01 Celsius above the ice point of water, that is 273.16 Kelvin. Between the Celsius scale and the Kelvin scale is simply theta Celsius equals T Kelvin minus 273.15. For example, the Celsius temperature at which boils at standard atmospheric pressure is theta nbp equals T nbp minus 273.15, and reading T nbp from figure 1.7, theta nbp equals 373.124 minus 273.15 equals 99.974 Celsius. All other temperatures must be measured with respect to the triple point of water, as the result of making the Kelvin scale the international standard for thermodynamic temperatures. The next session is 1.12, platinum resistance thermometry. A more practical thermometer is the platinum resistance thermometer, which is much more reproducible, simpler to use, and generally provides a greater range of operation than the gas thermometer. The platinum resistance thermometer is secondary to the gas thermometer because an expression that describes the electrical resistance as a function of temperature contains unknown temperature-dependent terms that we cannot calculate from the principles. It is usually worn around a thin frame constructed so as to avoid excessive strains when the wire contracts upon cooling. Resistance measuring circuits may be divided into two groups. The first is potentiometric types, in which at a balance there is exactly zero direct current flowing in the voltage leads. And the second is bridge circuits, in which at a balance a negligible alternating current flows. First, there is a development of the inductive voltage divider or ratio transformer in bridge circuits. Second, there is the improvement in electronics, which has produced lock-in amplifiers of high sensitivity and excellent signal to noise characteristic. The platinum resistance thermometer may be used for very accurate work within the range. The range is 13.8033 to 1234.93 Kelvin, or we can say minus 259.3467 to 961.78 Celsius. The calibration of the instrument involves the measurement of R T at various known defining temperatures and the representation of the result by an empirical formula. In a restricted range, the following quadratic equation is often used. R T equals R Tp 1 plus A T plus BT square in bracket. reaction T means resistance of the platinum wire at the temperature T, and Rp means resistance of the platinum wire when it is surrounded by water at the triple point. The calibration of the thermometers is always in terms of the ratio WT equals RT divided by RP. Maybe that's all from us. Thank you for the attention. Less or more, we from group 3 have apologized. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.